In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the trim command in AutoCAD. If you've ever needed to clean up overlapping lines, shorten an edge to meet a boundary, or tidy a complex sketch, trim is one of the fastest ways to do it. Think of it as a digital pair of scissors. You define what counts as the cutting boundary, then remove the portions you don't need. By the end, you'll have crisp, precise geometry that's easier to read and modify. Start by opening your drawing and typing trim into the command line, then press enter. Using the command line is reliable and quick, and it's helpful to keep your eyes there because AutoCAD will prompt you through each step. If you're working in a dense area of the drawing, feel free to zoom in or pan while the command is active. You won't break the workflow. Next, select your cutting edges. These are the objects that act as boundaries for trimming, such as lines, polylines, arcs, circles, or even block references. Click to select the edges that should cut other geometry, and when you've got them, press enter. If you accidentally pick the wrong item, you can deselect before confirming. A useful tip: if you press enter without selecting any cutting edges, AutoCAD treats all visible objects as potential boundaries. That can be handy in simple views, but in busy drawings it's better to be deliberate so you don't trim against the wrong edge. Now click the parts of the objects you want to remove. You don't have to pick the entire object, just click on the segment on the side you want gone. AutoCAD previews the change so you can see what will be trimmed before you commit with the next click. Work methodically along your geometry, and don't worry if you miss. You can immediately click again to get the right segment. You can also drag a small selection across multiple pieces to speed things up in repetitive areas, keeping your focus on the portions to be removed. When you're done, press enter to finish the command and return to the standard cursor. The selected portions are removed, leaving the trimmed geometry cleanly cut to your chosen boundaries. This is a great moment to orbit or zoom around and visually confirm that corners meet correctly and no stray fragments remain. If something doesn't look right, you can undo and run trim again, refining your cutting edges or your pick points for more precise results. That's all there is to it. Start trim, set your boundaries, click the parts to remove and confirm. With a bit of practice, you'll streamline cleanup and keep your drawings neat and accurate.